Alright, what's poppin', y'all? Thank y'all for tuning in to my channel once again. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing another nail video for you guys, and I'm using my Kiss acrylic dip kit. And I've already used it, that's why the labels are taken off. But you have your brush on gel, the dip powder, the gel activating spray, a buffer, as well as a file. I just didn't show the file. Nail tips, a manicure stick. I bought my own nail tips in my local beauty supply store just because I didn't like the ones that came in the kit. And then you need a nail polish remover that has acetone in it, as well as some type of cotton swab. Any type of brush that you... Alright, so first I'm just pushing back my cuticles with the manicure stick that came in the kit. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Just be gentle while doing this. And then I'm going to take my nail polish remover with acetone, and then I'm going to put it on a cotton pad. And I'm going to put this on my nails. And this is just going to remove any excess oils and particles that could be on my nails that would prohibit the nail from sticking properly. And then you're just going to lightly file your nail. You don't want to kill your nail while doing this, okay? And again, I'm just wiping my nails one more time, just cause. Alright, so now I'm taking my nail tips and my brush on gel glue, and I'm just matching the nails to fit my finger. Once I find a match, I'm just taking the gel or glue and placing that generously on the back of the nail, but not too much. You don't want to go overboard. And just line it up properly and press down. And I hold it for about 3 seconds, and then I also let go and pinch on the sides just to make sure. And I just do this to all 10 fingers. Alright, and we got them all on now. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so now I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just clipping the sides. I don't really know how to explain this, guys. Just watch. I'm just basically making a sharp point, and this is going to make it a lot easier when you start filing to get that coffin shape. Of course, if you don't want to do the coffin shape, then you don't have to do this step. And then after that, you're just going to file the sides. Alright guys, so this is what we're left with after we do all the filing. And make sure you get under your nails, because sometimes there's like little particles from filing. And then we're just going to lightly buff the nail again, just to even out the layer from the artificial tip, sorry. Then you're going to take your dip powder, and it says to stir it with your manicure stick just to loosen up all the content. So now you're going to take your brush on gel, and I'm going to put it like halfway up my nail, covering the nail tip. And I'm showing you guys just how far up I put it, and then dip it in your powder and dab off the excess. Do the same thing for all nails. You can do more than one at a time, like I'm doing right here. It's all up to you, but you want to work quickly if you do it that way. And then you're going to take your brush and just brush off all the excess, and you should have something like this. Okay. And this time I'm going all the way up the nail to my cuticle, but of course not touching my skin. And if you get any on your skin, just take your manicure stick and get it off. You don't want it to stick to your skin. Same thing here. And do this for all of your nails. Okay. And once you're finished with that, again, take your brush and wipe off the excess powder. And then the third and final layer, same thing as before. cover the entire nail, and you want even, smooth layers. This will make your filing so much easier, guys, I promise. You will not have to file that much at all, as you will see in a few. So after that, I wipe everything off, and that's what I'm left with. And then I do the same thing to the other hand. And this is just another method, just in case your nails are too long that you can't dip it in. You can also pour the powder on top. So yeah. Now the last step is to set it with the gel activator spray. You're just going to spray this on your nails until they look wet. And then so after you spray the gel activator spray, you are now able to file the nails because they have been set. Alright guys, and as long as you've done a smooth, even application, it should not be tough to file your nail at all. There should not be any crazy messy lumps. As you guys can see, mine are already pretty smooth. Okay, so now I filed all of my nails, and I'm just going to take my buffer that came with the kit, and I'm going to buff out all 10 nails, and this is going to give it a very smooth finish, which is what you want and need. And you should be left with something nice like this, very smooth, not lumpy at all. And guys, I decided to do gel polish. You don't have to do this step. I'll link everything down in the description box of what I use for this process, but I'm not going to show you guys the process of doing the gel application. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, let me know down in the comments, and let me know if you tried this out as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.